Perfecto. What's up, Casey?
That AMD announced earlier that it signed a letter of intent with the French government.
Good morning, Space Crew.
What's up, handsome?
There's Thursday, baby.
Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. I'm parched.
He needs some milk.
Mm-hmm. Wow, AMD freaking flying on that.
AMD get news?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it did. Big pop 265. NVIDIA getting a little sympathy moving. Downside. Downside, actually.
To the U.S. market open.
All right, 15-ish seconds. I got you guys with gamma and stuff like that in a moment. Still loading. I'm ready to open.
Heard that.
Pricing wondering if
All right, ding, ding, ding. Yeah.
that's Yankee Oscar Romeo Whiskey.
Open up, insta slap.
AMD shares now big spike on that 268.71.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna give us a fucking. Oh my goodness.
I'm in swings for put, so I would love a slap
Flip it a slap.
for next Friday.
Fucking
Slap it.
entry that I might have wanted short is gone. Fuck.
S&P up 9.60. NASDAQ is up 32.67.
Holy shit, what a slap.
Good morning, y'all.
Good
morning.
morning.
Good morning, Majama with the slammer.
That is a hell of a slap. I'm not going to have any entry for this short, though. It's going too far already, even though
We're sweeping Asia right now.
see if they get down to London here. Wow, I would have loved to be short. We're already like this one candle where I would have entered on is still like, it already took out my break-even spot, so I can't enter that. Too far too gone. Damn, too far too gone. At least I read it good. Fuck. All right. Oh my gosh, they're just gonna take London. You fuckers, dude. Are you kidding me? Wow. Look at that. I feel like Mapes is short into this London lorb.
Yeah, I want to hit it. Maybe like a 2-minute CVC. I was looking at that VWAP projection, but, it just popped really fast off the open.
I know, I was wanting to
I'm going
catch
to short this 2-minute CVC. No crazy size or anything, but high risk.
Heard that.
IWM's moving.
It's been stuck the past like 2 or 3 days.
Oh, it's ripping.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Ripping.
IWM just hit 270.
Bro, what is
It's
this?
the next one to make new all-time highs. I think you have to see for IWM to go higher. I think we have to see a little bit of strength over in probably your staples, probably your finance, and I think once you start seeing some of those names start to run, IWM will go make its new all-time high next. And SPY QQQ already did it yesterday.
With it. Not taking out London quite yet.
Yeah, ES is holding YM and RTY going a bit. YM's getting some bad. I'm still waiting. I haven't taken everything yet. We're still offensively positive gamma, 1.83 billion on NQ, about 18 billion on ES. $70, $75, $70, $80s on ES key gamma spots. 26.4 key gamma spot ES. I mean NQ, excuse me. 26,400.
I'm watching Palantir for a possible long.
PLTR.
Nvidia popping right back up. I mean, pop's taking's to be expected with the 2 weeks we've had. A couple days of chop, even a couple days of downtrend would make sense. But we could just keep ripping back through that all-time high and just take off for next leg up. We shall see.
I'm not seeing anything crazy on the tape. No crazy size to be filled.
Still gotta wait a few minutes.
I personally don't really want to touch the great to trade the last couple of days. We're in a short swing coming into earnings early next week. The IB is crazy high. Contract is expensive because of that. So Tesla's not my top watch today, to be honest. Yesterday was great. Day before today, not too interested.
Gold is moving higher. Oil looks like it's ready for a leg. I still haven't clicked any buttons.
Micro pivot at 65. If it breaks, I'll de-risk, scale and trail.
Prices if it's
Trying to target pre-market low 345 on NQ also.
So each version that's meta META. Mike, to go up.
Not trying to get bought on that dip. There's London taken out.
Covered half MMQ.
Market low on Qs. Ooh.
Oh, that was a beautiful short right in the open. I wish they held it up a little bit. I just couldn't enter that after that candle went so far.
If they fail 80s, we see 20s, 30s.
I still haven't clicked any buttons. I haven't gotten any.
Ooh, I missed that AMD short.
All right. Yeah. So Apple is selling off hard. Tesla is also selling off. Your Qs is significantly weaker than SPY.
Since Globex Open, NQ has accumulated about 350,000 gamma per 5-minute bar. $350,000 with the gamma exposure. Per 10 minutes, excuse me. Trend is heading higher. Got a little bit of negative exposure coming in on ES. Nothing crazy. Some people just taking off. It doesn't look like anything new. ES plus 2.63 million since Globex. Average gamma exposure increase per bar.
Sweep of London.
Gold maybe a short off of VWAP. See if they close anything above it.
Back above 400. All the moving averages and VWAP is above it, though. I don't really want to long into that. Let's see.
Watch the 3-minute EMA here. If it's respected, That gives us the gauge of momentum. Looks like a big rejection off the 3-minute 20 right here.
NVIDIA Palantir both pretty strong, holding well. In accordance with Q's selling off.
Iran told Pakistan that U.S. must fulfill commitments. Iran emphasized U.S. must drop excessive demand.
The
Nice
CVNA,
rejection here.
CVNA puts up $100 per contract gain for the swing. He took them for the lotto.
Nice. If on this new 5-minute we backtest value area low, I'll short off that.
Watch your lower time frame CBC as well after the open. It's good for like first 30-minute or 45 minutes or so.
Enter short right here. 380s. Stop as a move above Asia. Asia low.
Technology shares around the rise, hitting fresh highs above $36.60 per share, up nearly 40% on the day. That's Zeta to XNDU. X-ray November Delta Negative 4.
All right, there's no stop. That's okay.
I filled a small NVIDIA position. I was looking for 200. Well, 199.50.
Sniper trying to get up. My bad, Sniper. Didn't see you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yo, what's up, bro?
Nothing much, man. How we doing on this awesome Thursday?
Yeah, it's Thursday, baby.
I'm great, man. How about
We
yourself?
thirsty. We thirsty.
Doing good,
Thirsty
dude.
for profits.
MNQ short ladder, 3-minute green.
Ooh,
Trade. Oh, there.
that's a 30-point tick there.
Stop is above London low right there.
Hey, all right. I flattened the ladder. That's easy
Let's
money,
go.
baby.
Dude, that was literally a 30-point tick.
I took it off at 30 points. Nice. Let's go, mates.
Let's go.
Maple,
Smack that perfect time.
Maple. The
Dude.
second I
Sniper.
heard you say ladder, I hit market order on some SPY puts, and literally 2
Yes,
seconds,
sir.
I saw like huge red candle flash before my eyes.
Yes,
I'm like,
sir.
okay,
Short that
nobody-
green.
Nobody's gonna fucking believe that.
Hey, I do. Casey's a goat.
Yeah,
right.
Let's go.
No,
Asia
okay.
low right here. 345.
Asia blue.
I heard that this is tinfoil hat shit. I heard that Wolf is gonna rename to Goats Incorporated.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's in the works. It's in the works.
Oh yeah. I went red to green off that. I hopped back in. I saw that we rejected that 400, 400 gamma area, so I hopped back in it at the exact same spot. And there we go. Went red to green.
Maybe I'm in La La Land. I'm not bearish right now, guys. Do I think it could happen? Absolutely. I'm the contrarian this morning.
Yeah, I'm looking at. I just think we could at least go half back of one of these ranges created on this bigger time frame. We've not pulled back at all. No.
Oh, I absolutely agree that can possibly happen. I just
I
don't
also know
necessarily
this
think it
market
is.
doesn't care if I want to
Yeah.
pull back, and it will.
Conventional
rip
wisdom,
from-
though, in this market, I don't know. I wanted to see instant selling way heavier than we saw, personally. I wanted to see a waterfall very quickly.
I think if we have a day of like just slow price action and then one more rip, then it could suck in a lot of money. I was scared to buy the dip and really give us a move down.
Yeah.
Back down to like 650, 660s. And then just because we had that gigantic gap, like at least 665.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, still holding so strong.
That also lines up with higher time frame moving averages.
Tesla took a nice bounce. I have no interest in Tesla the rest of the week, though. Well, not with earnings coming next week. Deliveries weren't great. The way it ripped the last 2 days, I'm good. If you're not already in with like runners only, I'm not interested here.
Yeah.
If we start to get some buy pressure, NVIDIA and Palantir are the two that look pretty decent. I know I've mentioned a few times. I'm in a small NVIDIA position, pretty much at break even here. So just want to reiterate, those are the two I'm kind of looking at.
Yeah.
UPS hit 104. Those calls for June are up 20%. Also, Amazon is a little bit weaker this morning. Crazy wick at the open. They slapped it. Now it's underneath previous day low.
Dow Jones Industrial Average is up around 100 points, trading at 48,550. The S&P 500 hit a new high, up over 10 points at 7,030. The NASDAQ Tech Index is struggling to get a jump start. We are flat around the 24,000 handle.
Guys, AI.
Oil barrels for May settlement are up around 1%, trading
Guys,
at
AI.
$10.01.
Dude, he sounds like AI.
Yeah.
I'm ready for it, though. All good. Can they hold it lower?
I'm gonna cover another quarter M&Q just to de-risk.
You do?
Nice. We just bounced off rally area low. My charts look so schizophrenic.
Bro, bears are in disbelief, bro. It's so funny. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I know someone who's bearish with like a decent amount of money, nothing crazy, and he explained why he's bearish, and he's very, very smart, and then just got smacked in the face.
It seems
Bro,
like, you know
you
what's
get-
funny about it? The smartest people.
Smart doesn't correlate.
Yeah,
Exactly.
No,
don't matter.
it doesn't. Conventional wisdom says everything lines up for like a pure economical analyst that we should be coming down because of, you know, geopolitical and economical things, but the market technicals, we bounced where we should have. So it's like, it's tough to, you know, the smartest people aren't usually the best traders. It's unfortunate, but I've seen that a lot.
It's true.
That's what I was talking about, like with the statistics yesterday, you know, like, and don't get me wrong, some traders are really good on that, but they'll create a bias where they're not reading price or what is actually going on, but what has happened in the past. And every single day in the market is unique. Shout out to Mark Douglas, right? Unique participants, unique events, data, everything.
Gotta
and
have
you
that
can't account
discretion,
that
man.
into your, you know, previous statistics.
Exactly. To be a day trader, you have to have a feel too, because even the highest probability setups are what, 78, 80%. So 1 in 5, you're going to be wrong anyway, even when every box is checked. So like, you've got to be able to switch on the fly, roll with the flow, be able to have a sense of the market, all those things, because it's not just about being smart and math computation that you could do on the fly and stuff like that. So yeah, I agree with you, Maple. Absolutely.
Long
Yeah,
AMD, 267.5 calls.
It's not that it's like it was really uncomfortable for me to understand, because like if I learn a song on guitar, like I know that song, but each day is different. It doesn't matter what trades I took yesterday. I gotta approach it like I'm at zero.
I think they come take out this previous 4-hour low for you, Mapes. I don't know if you're still short, but
Yeah, I just got a
340?
quarter position left. Yeah.
340s.
My concern is the previous day high.
Yeah. Yeah, we did back test that. True.
So I'm watching like 10 minute, 15 minute. If we can close beneath it, then it'll show some exhaustion to me. But if not, then it's just a quarter position. I'll walk away green.
Mm-hmm.
The video was floating between like 5-10% down and 5-10% up. It didn't bounce as quickly as I wanted to see it bounce. If the market starts to get heavy, I'm gonna have a super tight stop loss on that. Just an FYI, everybody.
Heard that. Oh, here they come. Take out that 4-hour low for big Maple Shakes. Come on. No, you want it. By the way, Mapes, one of our boys, Will, that I think you've talked with him a little bit, but
William? You talking about William?
Yeah, bro, the goat.
Yeah, like, got a baby. Yeah, he's in the house, bro.
Yeah, dude, he's been killing it. He's been passing a bunch of accounts and shit, and I've been talking with him. So I think he's gonna start like doing some more videos with this all too. It's gonna be good.
Let's do it, man. Let's
do
it.
I love it too. Using your system, it's perfect.
Yeah, man, it's super simple, and I'm just glad that helping people out, man. That's all we can do.
He's come in and learn it very quickly. Like, it's not rocket science. You know what I mean? What you're doing.
Dude, yeah, it's colors, time frames. I mean, it's super simple, right?
Yeah.
No
I love it.
gamma or gotta read, crazy things like that.
Ooh. Okay, well, I'm closing AMD. Holy shit, what the fuck was that?
They had news this morning. Is it up more or what?
No, it just dropped like $2 in almost 20 seconds there.
Tesla's still weak.
Sweeping the AL again. This looks pretty darn weak.
Pretty darn weak, he says.
Guys, if for the listeners, if you're struggling gauging entries, for scalps or momentum, I love the 3-minute 9 and 20. Look at it today on NQ. 1, 2, 3, 4 interactions, giving you an opportunity for a short. Where do you scale out under pivot breaks like previous?
Oh, he glitched a little bit.
You're a robot right now, Mapes.
You turned into a robot right at the end.
What was that? I'm sorry.
You're good now.
Oh, sorry, dude. I'm on the Starlink. They're picking
it's
up.
Okay.
Different satellites.
He's getting some interference there.
Come on, drill, baby, drill. Amazon, drill, baby, drill. Come on.
Give it to him.
Dude, I went short overnight and then short this morning. On
Spider-Man.
I had someone send me a message and say that I was retarded.
I really didn't have one. Oh, go ahead.
But
new low a day, NQ.
Yeah, baby.
Look,
Here we go.
There's your 20s, 30s. If 80s fails, use the 20s, 30s.
Here we go.
Oh, shit. Take it to halfback, baby. 95.
They're dropping it.
And I'm going to trim some more of the spies here.
Halfback of this hourly range from, what is this?
All right, I covered down to the runners there. 40-point gain, MNQ.
Like yesterday's end of day low that we started the next run up.
Boom! Out half spy, stop at entry.
Yeah.
Nice.
There you go.
Oh, that's how we do it. Wolf pack.
Holy, oh shit, oh shit.
There we go. Dude.
Oh, wolf.
Hold on, I gotta lock up this futures count. Holy shit.
Okay.
All right, we're trimming
I
the
had the
spy
right read
here.
on gold. I just didn't take it, but look at that VWAP projection on gold. 842 all the way down to 820 now. 22 points. Huge.
Still 332.
Green.
Iran's planned Hormuz toll to be paid via Iranian banks.
Oh, I see that.
It's coming across the wire. If when that 5-minute opened, we got some green off of back up to Asia, I would have had an entry, but I just didn't.
I'm probably gonna get a text from William in like 5 minutes. Be like, that 10-minute green. I already know it makes.
Yes, sir.
I love it.
Dude, also, like Globex, I've been on the road, so I've just been monitoring while I'm driving, which is not good.
Yeah.
But 15-minute CBC, Globex, insane, dude.
Yeah, because Globex is a little slower. You almost need that extra like 5 minutes in there to kind of give you that extra confirmation when price.
Yeah, and like
that.
and I'll I wish I could code it somehow, but like if I could program my buy sell buttons to only allow me to like enter long when the candle's red or enter short when the candle's green, that would be best. But that's what I'm doing anyway manually.
I'm trimming more CVNA. I'm also going to trim the Bloom Energy puts for over $110 per contract gain here. Called out this as well for the swing.
Let's go, Casey.
26,300 might not be your spot to bounce.
Bill broken right there, 300.
We're bouncing on
Runner SPY at 350.
It was really positive gamma that weekend.
Oh, here's halfback.
Good butter.
295.25, halfback at this hourly range. We are going to be tapping into a gap. It's just, we could drop further though. They finally gave us some downside in this fucking market, man. Jeez. You know, even with this market ripping, I've been short the past 3 days, and I've won two of the trades.
You're a wild man.
I was short a lot this week too.
Swing down, that's why.
I wouldn't say the shorts were smart, but I was short a lot this week too.
Like, I mean, my shots were like completely.
Look, I had good spots.
Had to be quick.
Yeah, I had good spots. Yeah, exactly. You had to be quick.
Like for me, if I wasn't taking profits at my 1-to-1 risk reward ratio and looking for more, I would have gotten stopped on all those trades. Like it's only because I was taking profits so quick that they worked out.
There's 300 fingers. Like I said, good. What's pretty cool. Pretty cool.
Yo,
I didn't enter anything.
CVNA is dying.
I didn't enter that. It's just cool that I read it right.
Holy CVNA. See if I can get a fill right here. The spreads are like $200 wide. They filled me at 660 on the contracts.
For everybody that's in the audience that listens to all of us trade every morning, maybe listens to Maple Stacks, the CBC, we've talked about it plenty of times, but I threw the direct link to the video me and Mapes did on his strategy. I just threw that up top if you guys want to.
Not trying to interrupt. I did take a little scalp to the upside.
Baby.
Yeah, I took a scalp to the upside too. Sorry, guys. It's a little too late to enter now.
No worries, man.
No, you're good. You're good. It shows at least, where a good buy would be, right?
Mm-hmm.
Big extension candle. A lot of shorts feel greedy off of that. Buyers pick up and take advantage of that.
That midpoint of that exhaustion candle is usually where I try to fill on those scalps.
Mm-hmm.
But
yeah, 30-minute video up top for y'all. Breaking it down. Also, already hitting bangers this morning. We're not even 30 minutes into this market open. If you guys are enjoying the spaces, as always, we do this every morning. Make sure you follow these amazing speakers. Make your timeline so much better. Educational pieces, hot takes, good trades, all the above. Funny memes. Give them a follow. We are tapping into this hourly gap, a bit of an area of significance when we are back testing half back of this range. My only concern is, sure, we could bounce at this lower time frame half back, but on a bigger range, I also have like the same kind of stats ran and halfbacks lower. This is where I have a hard time, I think, on these bigger time frames, is when we have kind of stacked ranges like this, a smaller range within a bigger time frame range, and trying to figure out where that market wants to go within both those ranges is that's my difficulty generally.
I'm short on that pop. I didn't get the top, but I got over 636.
Still solid.
It looks
My
like
Amazon put roll is green, baby.
Hey.
So now I just need this puppy to go all the way down to 240, and then I'll be break even. And then anything under 240 on Amazon, I'll be able to start taking some profit. You got time, but.
Oh, I shorted Bitcoin this morning on Vest at like a 5x leverage. I just forgot about it. It's fucking cooking, dude. Oh shit. Just close me out. I'm getting out.
Close that shit.
Close that shit. I'm short off 74.5. We're at 73.6. Cook.
Nice.
Oh, baby, a triple.
Let's go.
I didn't know they were going to be so good to me this moment.
Lucky is the best phrase where you just kind of forget you put them on.
Well, yeah, because, like, I'm not short and crazy leverage when I'm playing around on best. I'm just, like, fucking around. But sometimes you fuck around and find out and you hit something nice. Sheesh. Can I limit order out, please? Can I get out? Like, get me out of this? Bro, get me out of this shit. Because I'm trying to do limit orders because I don't want to catch any slippage. But honestly, there's probably enough liquidity right now that I don't need to worry about that. All right, fuck it. Just market close it. Can I market close it? Hell yeah.
Nice.
We got it.
Triangle long here at 311. $6 stop. Okay, I got hit.
Flat. Thank you, Mr. Bitcoin. Shout out Vest. These Cook Wolf guys, some great deals on Vest right now. And they now have NQ, ES, crude oil, all 24/7, and you can leverage it. Pretty cool.
Let's go.
It's not like my main spot where I'm trading, of course, as you guys know, but definitely a fun spot to be able to play around. And I don't know. I mean, some people in the audience might like that style of like trading perps better. I don't know. I definitely don't, but I'd love to dip into it as well as doing everything else. Why not?
Why not? I'm going there barely.
Oh, wow. Oh my goodness, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna make a post about this a little bit later when things calm down in the morning, but I can now talk about it since it's 10 a.m. on the 16th here. My Funded Futures is running some new deals. It looks like they have a new plan, introducing the builder plan, 1 day to pass. They have never had 1 day to pass accounts. So now they have 1 day to pass accounts on My Funded Futures. 40% off right now if you use code WOLF. Payouts every 48 hours on those accounts, by the way. Hello. That's awesome. I will get a full detailed post of everything being updated here in a little bit later on throughout the morning.
I tried the same long again.
Heard.
It could work. I'm short, but honestly, I don't know what the hell they're gonna do here.
And
Like
for
a-
everybody listening, when half standing and half short, it means 7 hands worth of combination.
Like I liked my short spot, but they're just holding it. which I don't want to see.
I'm not gonna lose on this trade. I'm gonna stop in profit. Yeah, I got taken out pretty much break even. I'm flat now. I don't really. Oh, thanks. All right.
They go 30 cents higher, I'm out for a loss. But if they get under 635.60, it's going to be a big, big win. See, this candle looks like they're going to push it higher.
Oh, miserable.
I have so many tabs. Oh, 40.
Damn, I had that entry the second time. That's okay.
That long on NQ, I'm down to 3 micros. I was finally able to trim it. And then NVIDIA hit about 15% green and then back down to like 5%. Still just in that same chop zone. I might cut it, break even here. I'll let you know in the next couple minutes. It's about 43 points on that long, but we did go all the way back down to pretty much break even before I pushed again. So had a lot of wild range in there.
This bounce feels kind of slow. Watch him send a fucking ripper candle after I say that.
Yeah, we're tapping into 5-minute bearish order flow until we run through that now. Still think we get slapped. But you did just rebalance to a big spot on the lows there, that half back of the range hourly gap. So I understand why we're getting a nice bounce.
All right, that's about 62 points in NQ. I'm closing.
Let's go.
I'm
Nice.
on NQ.
Nice.
Nice.
It's at $29. That's my glove. I can be a Romeo.
Bring it to 340s. Okay. Little counter turn, so stops in profit protection, and I got stopped in profit. I'm back to flat.
I'm gonna bearish gap. They could set up a little short out of this. If we run through 363 and reclaim that lemon low, then I think those thoughts are. Might have to throw them out the window.
I'm down to 10 on that NVIDIA, 73 cents to what, 94, 95 cents. I'll take it. Hell yeah. And those really only went right about 20%. That was the reason I did hold, because NVIDIA was holding much better than the rest. So
Great job.
Here we are, belly area low.
Joe, they just did not want you to be in the trade.
I just got back in it.
There we go. He said, I'm making myself right, damn it.
Yeah, I got stop above lemon left.
I shorted that back test right there on MNQ. Little scalp.
There's 20 point stops in profit. Give me 340 still. I'm doing my thing.
Yeah, I'm setting a stop break even on those NVIDIA, and then on NQ, I'm totally out. So
Beautiful.
IWM is like all over the place.
Go back to 340s. Even do it.
Are you short, Joe?
Yeah.
Let's go.
I'm short too.
I'm looking for that 340 break.
I grabbed it on the 5-minute 9 there at
I might be
355.
joining you guys.
That was a back test of QQQ pre-market low as well.
You also got
Something in that
2 and 3-minute 21 at that 5-minute 9 basically. So that's why I also grabbed it.
Nice.
15-point gain.
Yeah, come on, a little bit
That
more.
was a break of 345. So
I'm looking
upside.
under 330. I want to cover some.
I got taken out. I'm flat.
I would like to cover under
had
330.
Joe took profit and went flat. I haven't even got to manage yet. What the fuck?
But we trade differently.
I know. I'm risking just a little bit of profit. I just don't want to see it go back above like 70. Now we're back to entry.
Bears need to hold this 363 here.
There you go. Reject 60 again. Come on, reject 60. Slap her down.
They did slap her. Negative 125 at 62s. Let's see if they run through it or not.
If they get over that last candle high, I'm out for a loss.
That was my original risk.
So like
With this-
365.
Want more than 15 points.
Some more positive gamma got put on at 350s. That was why I was pretty aggressive when I was in profit. I think it'd be a good idea for me to call it on that. 19 points, which is annoying because it's not 20. But
Yeah, take another trade, get a point.
yeah, for 1 point.
I do that shit all the time. There was a day on here, I was up like $992. I was like, no. I was like, I can't say I'm up $1,000 on the day on this account. I gotta go take another trade.
Dude, I remember one day I took a trade and I made $300 even to the penny, and so I stopped trading just because it was even.
I need to make
Monetary policy.
like $120 more to get my payout today. It's so annoying because that's always when I'll take a loss. Ugh.
Oh, 10-minute 21 tapped, and then
Yeah.
and
No,
then
they're gonna take me right here.
Fed Williams says we are in the right place for monetary policy. Now is not a good time for the Fed to give firm forward guidance. Inflation will be well above 3% over the next few months. The longer the conflict lasts, the bigger the economic impact will be. Market pricing balancing strong U.S. outlook versus war uncertainty.
This doesn't sound like bullish news.
No, it doesn't. Some of market strength due to reduced U.S. exposure to oil shock.
Okay.
It didn't sound amazing, all that was being said there initially.
I mean, nothing has lately, so you know, of course.
That is a good point, you know?
Of course, the market should rip like 13%, you know, in 3 weeks. You know, like
Yeah.
everything's great. Don't you worry.
Yeah.
we even hit the 10-minute 21 there. Ooh.
Didn't see move down to 380.
No shorts out of this area for me. Not yet, at least. Trying to get over that 360.
Yeah, I'm not gonna hit it above London low in value area low like this.
$30 down.
William said Warshock is about prices, but also unavailable commodities.
Yes.
Wow. You could go 550 points out to the downside with this VIX. I'm wondering why that's so very pricey down there. That doesn't make sense. That actually doesn't make sense. Hold on.
Scalp City, when I'm saying that 5-minute bearish order flow, it's just that 5-minute gap that we're trading in right now.
Very long wick there.
Imbalance is equal order flow.
You got a very long.
I'm probably gonna. Oh, I wish. I'm really gonna add to my puts here.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Alan up here.
Jesus Christ.
I'm back in the short, same exact short I took before.
Cristos are nasty. Jalitos are nasty.
Watch Apple back testing a pretty. Apple had a really good run yesterday. It's back testing a pretty good spot of support. Again, that 262 is the spot that it squeezed out of yesterday on those time frames. It's back testing it right here.
China's chip production efforts outlined in the House panel report. Pakistani foreign ministry spokesman, Pakistan's role as a mediator has not ended with the conclusion of the first round of these talks.
I gotta stop that right there. Okay. I honestly forgot that I said I'm gonna call it. I was just looking at the charts.
If they get under 350, I will add.
The inverse is 5-minute. I'll short it.
I think we're gonna go lower. Those put spreads that far out, being that expensive, is not good for buyers, in my opinion. They should not be that expensive at all.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm short M&Q. Previous day high area risk, smaller
I'm
size. I like
saying
the
I'm
target.
still in it. Yes, sir. No candle closure over my stop on it, so I'm still sitting.
That was so tight for me. That's annoying. I definitely have to stop trading now.
Yeah, I added.
Here we go.
I got under that 350.
I was gonna add, but I was like, I'm already risking profits. I don't want to make this heavy. I mean, here's 40 right here. I should start to cover.
I can short if we inverse this spot.
Yeah. All right, there we go. I'm gonna cover a few.
I'll look for a 1-to-1 break even at new low a day.
Qs can settle down a little bit more. See if we can get down closer to 3. Nas is probably looking this. Oh, there it is. Boom, there it is. All right, now I'm out
Looking
half.
good.
Stops at entry
Let's
now.
go.
Let's go.
20-point gain, covered half M&Q.
Nice. I got 2 minutes till this candle closure.
I think they're gonna drain the living shit out of this. Under 321 on NQ. Oh man, they're gonna kill it.
Stop it. He's dead already.
He's dead.
He's dead already.
Oh, give me the entry.
There we go. Come on, 40-point gain. Come on, baby. Oh, yes. Sweet mother. Come on. Just don't even bounce. Just
No, under
just
literally. Oh, they got to 315. Oh, I didn't
Yeah.
even see that. No,
Come on, just-
no bounce.
No bounce.
No whammy, no whammy.
Acceleration. No, a little bouncy.
If they can't get this candle closure under, I will not short.
I have stream start in a couple minutes, so Thursdays I always have to jog out of here pretty quick. So
No worries.
Okay.
Great morning.
hell yeah, I will. Nice job on all those shorts, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow or Monday.
Sounds good.
Bye, y'all.
Later, Emma, Jim.
Take it easy. Have a good day.
Thanks, guys.
Okay, I'm gonna trade it if I keep looking at it, so I'm closing my trades.
Joe, keep him open.
I'm just gonna full port.
Join the party, Joe.
Don't be a bitch.
I can settle down. I could see price still on my UI, but I'm just not gonna put orders.
Come on, Spy.
Come on. Come on.
Love day.
Come on.
Love day.
Oh my god, I want a 20-point drop right here. And I mean like one tick.
I know. I want him to accelerate it.
Trump news. He just shit himself. Let's do it.
5-minute candle's about to close. Don't
High
forget open and
probability.
bounce.
High
Open and
probability you
sell.
break 5-minute candle ran through that gap. So I'm in it with y'all.
Oh, let's go, Jordy.
I'll go break even new low day.
Gaps.
Come on. Oh my god.
5,
If we get under 300, I'm
4,
shitting myself.
3, 2, 1.
I'm Franklin size right now.
Oh boy.
Fucking come on, Spy. Get my 698s in the money. Come on, baby.
It's supposed to be new low. So I can go break even, not worry about this trade at all. Back tested 5-minute gap.
I'm all out of the future short right there. I just crossed over $1,000 per account right there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I know how you are too. You gotta lock that in.
Dude. I was up like 670 and then it went down to like 5 and then it started pushing like 9 and I was like, fuck, I gotta leave 2 contracts left to see if we can get to 1,000.
Dope.
Someone in the comments asked if we could explain the relationship between liquidity and slippage. It's just liquidity is basically how easy is it for you to get an order filled. Something like ES and the NASDAQ is the most liquid instruments in the world. You can click market and pretty much get filled. The slippage comes in when there's volatility or when just something's going on and price is moving fast. The spread between bid and ask will get wider. And so you'll see the last trade price, I'll make up a number, 26,500. But if it's moving fast and the spread is like 3 points and you want to short, you'll get filled at 25,000 and like 47.
Yeah.
Right. That's 3 points of slippage then. That's an extreme example. Normally it'll be a couple ticks, but that's what slippage is. Just getting filled too far in the direction that you are looking for it to go in. So your average is not as ideal.
That's a great explanation.
Thank you.
Drain it. 2-minute 21 rejection. Come on.
I agree. Drain it.
Dude, come on. I want to see under 300.
My stop's at most recent candle high though, so if we pop to 397.75,
Jordan,
grab one.
stop
I'll get
that.
cooked.
Stop that.
I like it though. I mean, we've been respecting bearish order flow all morning. We still have reason to potentially go lower. I'm fine with this. We also have
Bloom
IB
energy
forming in 7 minutes, which we should take out the low on IB. So, I mean, everything's pointing to this looking all right.
I'm about to take another trim here on BE.
Let's go.
Contract's about to hit
shit, huh?
700. Yeah, stop's down 5% now. Really?
I remember when you shorted that yesterday.
Oh, yes.
I want to see some speed step in here, though, because like I've seen everything needed. We should just be able to get to this new low a day here, especially with IB about to form. So I'd like to see some speed.
Phil,
Yeah, I like the
700
3-minute.
PE.
3-minute EMA's bearish. Price below VWAP. CVC bearish. I think there's a high probability, like Jordy said, we break lows, but no guarantee.
Yeah. I have noticed during these IBs when it's like forming, sometimes they give you that pop or drop in the opposite direction of IB right after it forms, and that could get me here, but I like it.
Secured $155 million U.S. Space Force contract.
Fucking Martin.
Advance GPS ground control modernization. That's Lima Michael Tango, LMP.
It's got a big contract. We're not holding any areas of significance. Just drill it then. It's so slow. I don't like how slow it is here.
Yeah, I don't like how it's. Yeah, I don't either. I mean, I did trim.
Just taking a minute.
I did trim, but I don't like how they're bouncing this.
Everything's still valid.
Let me tell you,
it is.
dude, those put spreads. I'm still looking at this. They are extremely like good premium, which should not be that good premium that far out. Last time I saw that, which was like 2 weeks ago, in that direction, it went when it was high premium, it went that direction down, and those premiums got you would have lost on the put spread, is what I'm saying.
What date nuts?
Today.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. I'm seeing on NQ's volatility smile at the money IV is 26%. We have a 5% call skew. And so the fact that those put spreads have demand, that's interesting.
I think if we do get a drop under this 320, like actually under it, it's going to be like a 20 to 30 point, like quick one.
Fear and greed index on stock market is now at 60 out of 100. That is in greed.
Anthropic introducing Claude Opus 4.7.
I want to see us get back under this 328.50 because that is the bearish gap that I'm trying to trade out of the bottom of it. I hate to see us trying to hold the bottom of that. Not McDonald's. I'm gonna get stopped here. They better stop me here. If they continue any further on that, jeez.
IWM and RTY did make a new low today.
Oh, what was that news?
Did it?
Slightly weaker.
I don't think that was news, but it was a little slip up there. It didn't stop me out though. I thought for sure I was about to get stopped on that.
It had to be, in my opinion. There's no way that wick was in news.
Logic moving here on increasing volume now. Lima Whiskey, Lima Golf.
Can we not go higher than that wick just made, please? Because that was nice.
The CVNA, the puts, they're getting a little spready right now, but they're at 740. Get a midfill right here from 490.
Oh, come on. Sit down.
Be humble. Sit down.
BlackBerry Secure Communications collaborates with IP company to integrate its Seki suite into IP's wireless communication and messaging system. BlackBerry, you're still dead.
And I thought that freaking company went bankrupt and the stock got delisted.
Right.
ARXS IPO indicating now 31.25.
I might have to close this. It would be an overall loss. I mean, I did get some amount for profit, but it would probably be an overall loss at this point.
AMD is popping.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah,
don't like that.
back to the highs.
Don't like that. I just have no reason to try and think the other way here, that's for sure.
So your Vol D and Vol D2 are working, but if you look on TradingView, it's pretty insane what just happened on both those candles. Vol D just sold very hard and went negative. It just reclaimed instantly on the next candle and it's green. Vol D2 sold all the way down to the 0 line. VIX is popping over 19. And then
keep it popping, VIX.
Your net flows since 9:40 this morning, your call premiums on SPY have been significantly above your call. So the puts
40 seconds till IV should take out the low based on data. But let's see if price action supports that.
I have a question. Is there some sort of conference or something today, or something big happening later?
Let me double check.
Because even the call sides are less premium like they usually are, but they're actually even still inflated for going 400 plus points out.
We have Feds Moran. No, Feds Moran is speaking in 5 minutes. We have a Trump roundtable tonight. What is that? 7 o'clock.
Yeah, that wouldn't do it.
Eastern. 7 p.m.
I'm actually wondering why these are so expensive.
My risk is 397.75. Could easily take it out. But I gotta be short with the setup I've been given here. Natty gas getting a pop. Oh,
Actually, a build correction on that. There's a larger than expected build, 59 BCM. Initially moving higher, then pulling back.
They might get there.
Yeah. I'm gonna close mine here. Well, they got me.
Hold it for your boy. IV low needs to get taken. We've been respecting bearish order flow all morning. We rebounced to the 5 minute. We got an inversion through it, but that's not really holding.
There was some RTX news yesterday that I wasn't able to cover. Collins Aerospace won a Crystal Cabin Award for its Skynook solution. It's an award for an aircraft interior.
IWM.
ES much weaker.
Look at IWM.
ES looks so much better on this short. Fuckers. Damn it.
Another new low on RTY.
Yes,
I just don't trade it.
IWM is now about 55 cents away from previous day low.
I'm still short.
I should have been short RTY.
Oh my gosh. I thought we got Alan up here, Alan. So sorry. Just left this man hanging in the requests. Alan, apologies. Oh.
Dude, today is a short to pops kind of day. It's going to throw people for a huge fucking loop. Because there's still people who are in calls and call swings and are high on this euphoria at all-time highs. And
right. Guys, we're finally back. Load the boat on options.
Dude,
it gets cooked. Oh god.
Dude, I saw so many people yesterday that were posting like this is a great time to go ahead and start buying, get your shares, start buying leaps for 6 months to a year out. I'm like, what the fuck is wrong with you guys?
Everyone just wants to buy all-time highs. It baffles me.
Like, what? I don't know. I think their
Good,
larger,
Bruno.
decent
More
stocks to
power
dive
to them. They're our
down here,
liquidity. We need that
Yeah.
liquidity. Shit. What's up, Alan? How we doing?
What's up, Alan?
Having a great morning. Finally getting some downside in this market. I'm about to get short though. Damn it.
Beautiful. I had a nice short earlier this morning at 5. That's beautiful. And then right at the open, 2 beautiful plays. I'm out now, seeing that we haven't decided if we want to continue down or maybe reverse back up. But it looks good.
If they take me out of this short, I'll probably still be looking for a similar thing.
One info shares moving back towards the highs now, up about 169%.
Moran is speaking live, says Moran. Yes, holding up much better down towards the lows. Damn it. Looks way better. Well, I might run my stop at these highs. Ooh, don't like that candle closure on the 5. That can cook me.
I think I want to see what happens at 409. I think if we break the recent high at 450, then we should be seeing new highs. But if we build another structure leg lower, I'm going to be bearish for a bit.
Yeah. I'm still somehow in this position.
Hold on.
Yeah, I stop is set.
Yeah, then you're safe.
Let her cook.
So right there, the top list, all of us on spaces.
Oh shit, what happened to your mic, mate? Sounds like you're talking across the room.
And this app needs to be fixed.
No.
ONFO shares hitting $1.96 at the highs and halted on a circuit breaker. ONFO halted on a circuit breaker at the highs.
Mm-hmm.
I need this lower time frame order flow to flip.
I don't see any new defense news besides that. I don't see any really defense news besides that Raytheon story.
Mm-hmm.
Airbus is having their earnings soon, so that's important for the European side.
Yeah, Netflix tonight. 4:01 p.m. the numbers come out. I think it's 4:45 the call.
Oh,
If I
Airbus
can stop
is
at these highs, I'm gonna look for them to run it and then set up again. Short. We'll see.
You're at VWAP right here, and gamma weighted VWAP.
Oh, that.
Oh, that.
I'm about 10 points from getting stopped. I'd take this trade 1,000 times over though, so very happy. Even if this takes a loss, that's a good loss.
Great
I
minds.
don't know the difference between the good and bad losses, and if I do everything right, it's okay. They're edging my stop loss.
President Trump spoke to the Lebanese president, according to Axios reporter.
Damn it, now it's not letting me add Maple. What the hell? Spaces.
that Starlink interference.
I know, yeah. It does work pretty damn good, I will say, throughout the morning. Considering Mapes is on Starlink in the van.
Yeah, I'm just playing.
Oh my goodness, if they hold my stop here and run to TV, it's going to be the greatest almost stopped out drawdown play ever. I honestly, as much as they're annoying, I really love these plays where I enter and get a little drawdown and they take it close to my stop and then reverse it. It's just not often you get that actual reversal after getting close to it. At least for my system. It's not too often that happens, but always nice when it does. Look at that. Maple Stacks put that post up top. That was just.
Spirit says even the war underlying composition of inflation was getting more problematic for the Fed.
Trump also said informed Lebanon's president that a ceasefire would be declared in the coming hours. Mapes posted that fear and greed index, though. This was just, what, not even 10 days ago, guys. 9 days ago. We were at extreme fear at 10. Beautiful. That post aged very well. Now we got him back. There he is. We got you, Mapes. Mapes. We got you.
He's back.
I think he's back. It's so quiet. I think he's trying to talk. Oh,
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, there you are. There you are.
Okay,
Gotcha.
hold on. Let me microphone settings. I think it's on my AirPod or something.
Might have been.
Okay, but fear and greed index, right? Was that extreme fears. This is where I always buy long term. Okay, I told you guys in that post we'd start de-risking into greed, extreme greed. And just like Jordy was saying a few moments ago, this is where retail, like dumb retail, starts saying, "Hey, I need to buy this," right? They start getting FOMO, and then they sit through that indecision kind of range time frame. So you bought the dip based off fear and greed index. Congratulations.
Heard.
Put spread.
How's the ES looking? Oh, much weaker. Crude oil still trying to rip, up 2.39%. Hold it. Ceasefire with Lebanon could be announced Thursday night. Little drop. See if this 10-minute candle can hold green. She's trying. Maybe she long that?
No, I'm chilling right now. I think mid or 10-minute 20. I think it might be a good short back test potentially, but I would need confirmation, right? Like a CNC flip off EMAs or something.
Ooh, what was that?
ONFO on folio meeting. 230%. That's on Oscar. Shares of Polaris popping on the company saying that the expects its tariff policy changes not to affect full year guidance. That's BII. Shares of Caterpillar also moved up a bit. On that news, Charlie up Tango.
INTC new all-time high.
Oh,
67. Let me go check. INTC shares up 214%.
hey, Lego. Slippy.
Clip on Dunzo.
Didn't want to give me that continuation short. I guess it makes sense. We rebalanced to hourly gap, and I was trying to short into that, but we could take out New Lord Day.
You know, with the candles that we've seen this morning, you'd think we would have had a little bit higher volume so far on the day.
Right.
SPY's at 12 million.
We did shop basically from like 9:30 open to it's 11 o'clock candle. Let's see like something actually happening now.
I did trim a little bit of those.
I'm gonna
UPS
hop off here. I will be in chat.
And,
If you guys have any questions, please do ask in there. I have to go get something done. I'll catch you later.